Road construction and maintenance. Roads are essential for modern life, allowing people and goods to travel efficiently. But they don't last forever. Building a new road or repairing an old one is a complex process involving several important steps. It usually begins with surveying the land, carefully measuring the area to determine the best route and identify any potential problems like hills or bodies of water. Next, the existing surface, if there is one, needs to be removed. This often involves heavy machinery like bulldozers and excavators. The ground then undergoes compaction, meaning it's pressed firmly together to create a stable base for the road layers. Once the foundation is prepared, builders add several layers of materials. First comes a layer of subbase, typically gravel or crushed stone, which provides drainage and further support. On top of that goes the base course, often larger stones mixed with stabilizing agents like cement. This creates a strong, solid platform. Finally, the pavement, the surface we drive on, is laid. Pavement can be either asphalt, a dark, sticky substance, or concrete, a mixture of cement, sand, and gravel. Asphalt roads are more flexible and quieter, while concrete roads are generally longer-lasting but more expensive to build. Repairing a road follows similar principles, though the process is often focused on fixing specific damage. Potholes, those annoying dips in the road surface, are common problems caused by water seeping into cracks and freezing. To repair them, workers first clean out loose debris from the hole. Then, they apply a hot asphalt mixture to fill it, followed by compaction with rollers to create a smooth patch. More extensive damage might require removing larger sections of pavement and replacing them with new layers, similar to building a road from scratch. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing major repairs. This includes things like crack sealing, filling small cracks before they grow bigger, and resurfacing, which involves adding a new layer of asphalt or concrete over the existing surface. Drainage systems, such as ditches and culverts, pipes that allow water to flow under the road, are also regularly inspected and cleaned to prevent water damage. Ignoring maintenance can lead to more costly and disruptive repairs down the line. Ultimately, both construction and maintenance rely on skilled workers, specialized equipment, and careful planning. Engineers constantly research new materials and techniques to improve road durability and reduce costs. From the initial surveying to the final smoothing of the pavement, a lot goes into ensuring that our roads are safe, reliable, and able to handle the demands of daily traffic. Passage vocabularies. Questions. Choose T if the statement is true according to the passage, and F if the statement is false. 1. Surveying happens after the existing road surface has been removed. 2. Compaction means making the ground softer and looser. 3. Asphalt roads are usually more durable than concrete roads. 4. Potholes are caused by strong sunlight damaging the pavement. 5. Crack sealing is a type of maintenance that helps prevent bigger problems. 6. Culverts help to remove water from under the road. 7. The base course layer is typically made of asphalt or concrete. 8. Engineers are not involved in improving road construction techniques. 9. Removing a pothole involves cleaning out debris before adding new material. 10. Resurfacing means completely rebuilding the entire road from the ground up.